Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. This channel is all about nail tutorials. If you like what you see on my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Let's jump right into today's tutorial. I'll be working with Nigerian gel polish brand today. I love the packaging. The gold inscription on the bottle makes it unique. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a press-on set for myself. It's been long I had a press-on set on my nails. So today I'll be doing a press-on set for myself and I'll be using these indigenous products gel polish by Verschona. She's a nail technician based in Lagos State as well. I think Surulere. So I decided to get her products and give it a try. So I'll be working with I think the color is mustard. It's like yellow, like a dark yellow, like I think custard color. It looks like custard color to me, but she called it custard. The gel polish has a good consistency, and I know it's going to be a good product because I trust her. So I'm starting by applying the base coat. Apply the base coat and cure for 60 seconds. Because I've not used this product before. It was the other one I used. I could cure it for 30 seconds. I'll cure this for 60 seconds. Then I'll bring it out to apply the base gel. So please kindly ignore any background noise because my environment is a little bit noisy. So Verschona in mustard. Wow, I love the consistency. It's not too light and it's not too thick. Perfect consistency for a gel polish product. I think this can even compete in an international market. I love it. Wow. Wow. Anyway, I wasn't expecting anything less from her. She's an outstanding nail technician as well. So I expected her to give us the best and she has done that. So I hope to use more of her products. So I'm trying the first one. I'm loving it. It's so beautiful. Wow. Even the first coat can pass if it's on if it's not a glass nails. If it's on a natural tip, I think the first coat is even enough. Even with this, I think the first coat is nice as well. But I'm going to do a double coat so I can have what I want. No. So I'm going in with the second coat. Wow. Maybe it's just the yellow. I don't know. I love the consistency, but apart from that, this yellow color is something else. I love it. I think she calls it mustard. I keep calling it yellow. This mustard is beautiful. I can't wait to try other colors and also give you a review about them. So I'll cure for another 60 seconds, then bring out for the next design. So I'll be going in with this dark color to make a little bit of design, like an irregular pattern. Something irregular. Don't want it to have a definite shape. Sorry, I didn't explain why I did. I just changed the base, the tips of the dotting pen. I want a smaller dot. So I'm just freestyling. Just freestyle. Just trying to be creative. I'll change the dotting pen tips again to the smaller side. Okay, so I'm changing the tip again. So I'll cure for about 60 seconds, then we'll continue again. So I'm going with a non-wipe top coat. The top coat seals all we've done, and it gives it the shine, forever shine. I've heard so much about our top coats that's nice, shining, you know, and I've been wanting to try it. I've got my hands to them, so I'm giving it a trial. Top coat, so the consistency is okay for a top coat. It's not too light and it's not too thick as well. This is the final product. You can see that it's so beautiful. Wow, I love it. So I guess I'll be using more of our products now in my videos. If you're still watching my video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you.